Good morning, students. Again, myself Uday Kant Roy, physics teacher, with a new video chapter that is a continuing to the same chapter, alternating current. So, those students which has observed the previous video, so they can understand the topic, because in previous video just I have given types of circuit, phase diagram in inductive circuit, capacitive circuit, resistive circuit. Then after this, average power across resistance, inductor and capacitor. After this, LCR circuit. So impedance, we got impedance in what? Impedance in LCR circuit. Up to here we have discussed. Here I will discuss first of all resonance LCR circuit. Resonance LCR. What is the meaning of the resonance? Resonance means that is if the frequency of the LCR circuit is matched with the natural frequency. So that is a condition called resonance. So resonance, what are the conditions for the resonance? See there, when XL is equal to XC, in such a case, impedance, what will be there? Impedance of LCR circuit is what? Z is equal to R square plus XL minus XC का whole square. So in such a case, if the XL becomes XC, so this term will be 0. So Z is equal to R. It means in case of resonance, the LCR circuit purely behaves like a resistive circuit. It means कि impedance, that is the net resistance of LCR, that becomes equal to resistance R. Okay. So first condition, this is the second condition. I told what are the conditions for the resonance? Maximum current admits, maximum current admitted. So if it is asked the maximum current, I max in such a case will be there. So that is the net EMF EYZ, or that you can tell EMF, net EMF, that is the EYR is there. So this is the maximum current. Then I had taught power factor. So power factor, you know, I had told from the impedance triangle. So this is the impedance triangle. This is the net impedance Z. This is the R is there, or this one XL minus XC. In LCR circuit we have seen. So this is the, suppose that this is the phi there. The cos power factor, that is called cos phi. So cos phi is equal to what is it? Base upon hypotenuse R by Z, and when resonance के केस में Z and R is equal, it means cos phi will be unity 1. So these are the case condition of resonance. Next, external frequency is matched with equal to natural frequency. natural frequency. This is also condition of resonance. So these are the condition of resonance LCR circuit. So it will be directly, it is not written that कि हाँ, sometimes it will written that LCR circuit is resonance, because in one video completely I will solve the numerical. Whenever the chapter will complete, I will complete the chapter, then complete video I will give on the numericals. So sometimes it will be written the maximum current flow, that is the condition of resonance. Power factor in unity, that is the condition of resonance. External factor, external frequency match with the natural frequency, this is the condition of the resonance is there. Okay, so these are condition for the resonance LCR circuit. Now today, because that is just I have related from that previous videos, so actually here we will study about average power across LCR. Average power across LCR. Okay, तो average power across LCR, तो already you know that कि P is equal to, this is the instantaneous power dW by dt, this is called instantaneous power. So dW what will be? dW, that is the P dt there. What is that? Or here in place of the P you can write EI dt. Now we have seen EMF और current के बीच में what is the phase difference is there in case of the LCR. So try to understand. Just I had told that this is the net EMF we had taken. This was the VR we had taken. So this is the phi there. This was the VL और this is the VC. यही था ना आपका फेजर डायग्राम. तो दिस इज द नेट EMF. फिर इधर आ गया था क्या है VL माइनस VC. See the video of the LCR circuit impedance in previous video. So here EMF is, that is कि E current here, current lags by phase high with respect to EMF. This is the net EMF, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर अब क्या हो जाएगा? dW is equal to, see there, E naught sin omega t and I is equal to I naught sin omega t minus phi into dt. Okay. So what will be E naught I naught sin omega t sin omega t minus phi dt there. This is the small work done. Now you have to find the total work done. The total work done, that will be for the complete cycle. The total work done के लिए क्या था, वो प्रोसेस एक ही है. Whenever you see the video of power across inductor, power across capacitor और power across inductor, तो same process is applied. The total work done for complete cycle. Total work done for complete cycle. So whenever complete cycle from the 0 to t, we have to integrate. So dW, that is the dW is there. So E naught I naught sin omega t sin omega t minus phi dt. Now how will integrate it here? इसके लिए क्या है प्रोसेस इंटीग्रेशन का? 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो और 2 से डिवाइड कर दो. Whenever you multiply or divide by 2, तो here formula is there 2 sin A sin B. One formula is there 2 sin A sin B. तो dW का W हो गया. तो E naught I naught by 2 इंटीग्रेशन, here formula 0 से लेकर t तक इंटीग्रेशन है, 0 से लेकर t तक cos a minus b, formula is there, cos a minus b, तो a this is the omega t minus omega t, और minus plus will be there, और minus cos omega t plus phi dt there. Okay, this is the formula we have applied. तो क्या हो गया, ओमेगा टी और ओमेगा टी कैंसिल, तो वर्क डन विल बी देयर E naught I naught by 2, और here make separate it 0 से लेकर t, तो cos phi dt minus 0 to t cos omega t plus omega t, the 2 omega t plus phi dt will be there. Okay, so already I had told the integration for complete cycle of sin 2 omega t and cos 2 omega t, that will be 0. Okay, इसका integration direct we can put here 0, तो what left, work done is equal to E naught I naught by 2, what left 0 से लेकर t cos phi dt here 0, तो W is equal to E naught I naught by 2 cos phi we have taken, और here integration 0 to t dt. तो 0 to t integration what will be there, ultimately that will capital T, so that is E naught I naught by 2 cos phi into t. So this is a total work done is there. But we have to find what is that, average power. So average power what will be there, average power will be W by t. So W by t, तो t t cancel, तो E naught I naught by 2 cos phi. Okay, this is average power. अब देखो, this term you can write E naught by root 2 I naught by root 2 cos phi, because E naught 2 became a root 2 into root 2, that is a 2 is there, तो ये क्या हो जाए, this is the RMS there, तो average power EIB, और I naught by root 2 IB cos phi, so this is the average power across. LCR of this term is called the power factor, cos phi is called power factor. So why it is called the cos phi is a power factor, because in resistance you have seen average power is equal to EV IB. What is that? EV IB. There cos phi it is multiplied, so that it is called what is that, average power. So you have seen in this chapter, this video, chapter related with this video, that is average power I have told and the condition of resonance I have told. So again this is my suggestion for you, so for the better understanding, to see the video, continuous video of this chapter. Whenever you will start to see that video, so definitely all the chapter will be completed, and I think there will be no any problem. So again I suggest you subscribe my channel. Name of the channel is Uday Kant Roy Physics. Thank you all of you.